Welcome to another episode of Beginner's Barbecue Outdoors. Today, we're going to be doing a Papa Murphy's Take and Bake Pizza on the Traeger. Let's fire up the Traeger. So, we have here a pizza from Papa Murphy's Take and Bake. It has chicken, tomatoes, and bacon with creamy garlic sauce. So here we have our pizza, and if everybody grabs it from Papa Murphy's, you know this is their signature wrapping. So we're just going to take this, and if everybody's done this before, you know how pain it is sometimes. There it is. Look at that. So this is it. So Papa Murphy's on their website, it says $4.25. So it's pretty much the same thing as you put it in the oven. On their website, it has 3 categories to cook in this: oven, grill, and smoker, a pellet smoker. So a pellet smoker, it says $4.25, and I'll say for where is it? Right here. I got it right here. 20 to 30 minutes. So 20 to 30 minutes of $4.25 on a pellet smoker. And so we're going to check it at, once it gets 20, we're going to be checking for the next 10 minutes. So we're going to put this on the Traeger and we'll be right back. So I just put the pizza in there. Okay. So my Traeger doesn't have a 420. It has a 375 and then 450. So I'll put it at 375. I'm going to turn it every 10 minutes. And then at the 20-minute mark, I'm going to see where it's at and then see how long it's going to take with the 375 now. We'll be back. All right, the first 10 minutes have passed. Oh man, that's good. And that's all you're going to do. Back and front, just a little twist every 10 minutes. That's it. So we'll be back once it hits the 20-minute mark. I'll do this every 10 minutes, but I'll be back. All right, so it's been 20 minutes. 20 minutes. Let's see how it's looking. That's how it's look. That's pretty much, I would say, another 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this pizza off this cardboard so you can get more of that smoke flavor on the crust in the bottom. And then I'll show you guys. All right, so all I did was just slide it out. It just slides right through like that. So I'm just gonna leave it there for another 5 minutes, and it should be perfect after that. All right, so it's been 25 minutes total now. 20 minutes with the cardboard on and 5 minutes without the cardboard, and that's how it's looking. Look at that. Look at that. And then we'll look underneath, and that's perfect. That's how we like it. There it is. So I'm gonna take this out, and we'll see you inside. So my Traeger doesn't have a 420. It only has 375 to 450. So 375 to 450. So I rather go down to 375 and then just keep an eye on it. So it took 20 minutes. No, it took 25 minutes total. It took 20 minutes cook with the cardboard, and then another 5 without it. And it looks great. So before we go, let's have a quick recap of what we did.
Yeah.
Alright, so before we continue with the taste, make sure to subscribe, to like, hit the bell notification, and leave a comment of what kind of pizza do you guys like from Papa Murphy's. My favorite is Hawaiian. People don't like pineapple. I don't know why on pizza, but I love pineapple on pizza. So, here we go. Oh, yeah.
There we go.
So you look at the back, nice and brown. This is really good. We've done this in the oven, and then we just started doing it on the Traeger, and it's a total night and day in the flavor, because you do have that little bit of that wood-fired pizza. And if you guys had wood-fired pizza, I prefer wood-fired pizza over just your conventional oven. So, but the Traeger gives it that wood-fired taste. So if you like wood-fired pizza, this is the way to go. So this is it. It was a quick video. Papa Murphy's Pizza on a Traeger. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit the bell notification, leave a comment for what kind of pizza you guys like. I'm curious to see what you guys like, and we'll see you next time.